In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Perplexity AI video for free, showcasing the enchanting mermaid from the Starbucks logo. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. When you're there, simply navigate to the search bar. Next, type the word Perplexity into the search field. This will generate a list of search results, but you're looking for the official Perplexity website. Spot it in the results and give it a click to enter the site. It should be user-friendly and easy to find. Once you're on the Perplexity website, the magic really begins. You'll start by crafting a prompt. Here's what you'll type. Imagine an 8-second cinematic close-up of a Starbucks coffee cup resting gracefully on a wooden cafe table. Picture the warm morning sunlight streaming through a nearby window, with soft steam rising gently from the cup. The iconic green Starbucks logo will start to shimmer and ripple, almost as if it possesses a life of its own. From this logo, a stunning mermaid will emerge, brilliantly composed of vibrant green and white light, moving with the fluidity and elegance akin to water. She'll swim languorously in slow motion, swirling through the air. As she moves, she leaves behind a mesmerizing trail of mist and sparkles before gracefully dissolving back into the cup. Your prompt showcases an ultra-realistic lighting scheme with a shallow depth of field, enchanting magical realism, and cinematic camera focus pulling all captured in 4K quality. This will give your video that smooth motion and dreamlike fantasy feel. After you've prepared and entered your detailed prompt, look for the model button. Click on it. This action sets things into motion. Now, select the Gemini 2.5 Pro from the options presented. It's important to ensure you're choosing the correct version for optimal results. Once selected, you're nearly at the finish line. To bring your vision to life, all that's left is to hit submit. Doing so will send your prompt through the sophisticated algorithms, which will generate the video as you've envisioned it. And just like that, you've created a captivating Perplexity AI video for free. Take a moment to watch your creation and see the magical realism of the mermaid from the Starbucks logo come to life in a way that's truly captivating and uniquely your own. This process is not only straightforward, but delivers a visually stunning outcome that you can share with friends, family, or an audience of your choosing. Thanks for joining me today, and happy creating!